In this video, I'm going to show you how to create high-converting marketing copy using DeepSeek in just a few minutes. Start by opening DeepSeek and typing a prompt like "Create marketing copy for a product" along with details such as your target audience, product features, tone, and platform. Whether it's for social media, ads, emails, or website, DeepSeek will instantly generate persuasive and engaging text designed to grab attention and boost conversions. You can ask it to rewrite versions that sound more energetic, more professional, more emotional, or more sales driven, and even request multiple variations for A and B testing. If you need taglines, product hooks, or short promo captions, just specify the character limit or format you want. Once finished, simply copy the results into your marketing materials or scheduling tool. And that's it.